In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert text to uppercase in Excel. This is a quick, reliable way to standardize names, codes, or any text so everything is clean and consistent. We'll use a simple Excel function that doesn't alter your original data, which is perfect when you want a tidy result without losing the source. Imagine your text is in cell A1. That might be a name like Hello World or a product code typed in lowercase. We won't change A1 itself. Instead, we'll create a new version in uppercase next to it. Click into an empty cell where you want the uppercase result to appear. This could be B1 or any other cell that makes sense in your sheet. In that cell, type exactly upper A1. Then press Enter. Right away, Excel returns the contents of A1 transformed into uppercase. The upper function takes whatever text it sees in the referenced cell and converts every letter to uppercase. Numbers, punctuation, and spaces remain unchanged, which is helpful when you're working with IDs or codes that include digits or dashes. The best part is that it's dynamic. If A1 changes later, your uppercase result updates automatically. If you have a list of values in column A and you want all of them in uppercase, you don't need to write the formula for each one. Hover over the bottom right corner of the cell with the formula until you see the small square handle. Click and drag it down to fill the formula for the rest of the rows. As you drag, Excel automatically adjusts the reference so AS upper A1 becomes AS upper A2, then AS upper A3, and so on. If your data runs straight down without gaps, you can also double-click that fill handle to autofill all the way down alongside your data. A quick tip as you work. Make sure the reference points to the correct cell. If you copy the formula across to another column, relative references will shift accordingly, which is usually what you want when filling down a list. Also remember that if your original text has leading or trailing spaces, those spaces will still be there, just in uppercase form. That's expected behavior and keeps your data intact. That's the entire process. Type ICA upper A1, press Enter, and drag down to apply it to the rest. It's fast, accurate, and keeps your original values untouched while giving you a clean uppercase version for analysis, exporting, or reporting.